as usual. As they'll get into everybody's own corner here. And now we got the spin action here. Spin wheels once again. This is right back in. Number 71. And he runs them into the dirt. Around the outside there, reloading. And now Nice little drift action here as Poitras comes around being chased. And big time spin and moving on just outside of the goal.
Cody Kalen's flag has not been pulled yet. Trying to get it started. Again, it has to move within 60 seconds.
We've got quite the duel going on in the middle of the race. Poitras going back and forth with Schrader. Poitras going in reverse. We got Preston going down. Schrader not back to back. The other way now. If you can hear those engines revving. On the side, but that might be a little close to the hook there. Poitras going to reload here. And now he gives him a solid bounce to the back door, driver's side. There we go, a big time in there to the back wheel on the driver's side. They see the smoke coming out the front. Schrader's car number 71 at all. But it's not quick. As Poitras continues to drive into that backfire. It's coming in reverse. It's gone. As you can see, the top of the dirt flying. And Poitras driving into it. And it's a battle of the mid-70s, the 75 versus the 76. And looks like pulled away now is Schrader. He's still got that smoke billowing out the front end, but that's not stopping him here as he crashes straight on. Jay, what are you thinking of this?
Well, this might come down to the last hit. Again, the rule is the last vehicle with the hit gets the win if they can't get started. So after being dragged around the track, car number 71 has gone on the offensive now and really Hunter Schrader taking it to veteran Dalton Poitras. Be a little play.
As he crashes into his net and got smoke coming out of both engines now. And how's that for a little last hitting jump there by Poitras?
Dalton Poitras, your winner.
In the Chrysler New Yorker, the 1976er. And for Dalton Poitras, he's a veteran of the circuit there as well. His best finish ahead of entering action today, a third place finish. But this is a guy who's been around the Derby circles across the region there since 2016. So just another day at the office for him as he'll drive off there with a